abuse of office. The action of the Deputy Governor, Honorable His Excellency Dr. Monda, of using his office to solicit for Kenya's things 800,000, thereby conferring a financial benefit to him and subsequently sending Kenya's things 100,000 towards managing director so as to influence out of a contract of employment to a preferred interview. He has abused the office of the Deputy Governor and in breach of Article 73, 75 of the Constitution of Kenya and Section 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 24, 32, and 34 of the Leadership and Integrity Act by breach of public trust, failing to carry out duties of his office in a professional, transparent, and accountable manner, using his office to unlawfully enrich himself, failing to conduct the duties of his office with impartiality and objectivity in accordance with Article 10, 27, 73, subsection 2, and 232, and practicing favoritism and engaging in a corruptive or unethical practices and engaging in actions that could be a person. Honourable members, the Deputy Governor is in violation of Section 11, subsection 1, 2A, 1, and C of the Public Officers and Acts Act that provides that a public officer shall not use his office to improperly enrich himself or others and shall not accept favors from a person who has an interest that may be affected by the carrying out of the public officer's duties and shall not, for the personal benefits of himself or others, use or allow the use of information that is acquired in connection with the public officer's duties, as well as Section 60, 1, subsection A, C, 2, and 3 of the Bribery Act that provides a person commits the offense of receiving a bribe if the person requests, agrees to receive, or receives a financial or other advantage intending that the relevant function or activity be performed improperly by that person receiving the bribe and in anticipation of or as a consequence of a person requesting for or agreeing to receive or accepting financial or other advantage, an activity is performed improperly by the person or another person. One of the members, he immediately used the office to intimidate and cow his family into IT, fearing for their lives in contravention of Section 4 of the Integrity Act 2012. In furtherance of the abuse of office, honourable members, the Deputy Governor has continually diverted county enforcement officers from their course of duty to work in his farm, a portion of land allocated to him by his father. Since he came into office, there has been at least 5 officers working in the farm, a clear demonstration that the Deputy Executive in chief is misusing the staff of the county government of Kisii. On the 20th December 2023, honourable members, the Deputy Executive in chief employed the conditions of about 20 county officers under the supervision of the sub-county administrator to arrest his brother, one DG Monda, Olang Matundura, for cutting down trees that his brother DG Monda, Olang had planted. In the exercise of his executive power, the Deputy Executive in Chief ensured his handicapped brother was tangled in the police vehicle and was incarcerated in Keumbu police station for 3 hours without an occurrence booked as of the booking. At 18:30 hours, the OCS denied the sick Ruben Monda, who suffers from high blood pressure and diabetes, and he was immediately transferred to Kisii Central Police Station. At the Kisii Police Station, the helpless Ruben Monda was further detained without a booking, SOP, and without the option of paying or pending presentation report. At one point, the sick Mondolan had to be last to Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital for an urgent medical interventions. However, on reaching the hospital, Ruben Monda was never attended to by any doctor, as the OCS Kisii Central Police Station received instructions to immediately take him back to police station. With his condition now deteriorating, Ruben Monda was sent back to the police station until 0020 hours, where he was issued with a cash pay of 10,000. The medical condition of the old man deteriorated to the extent that he was hospitalized in Optic Hospital for about 3 weeks, and since then he has been on injected insulin, condition that was not there before. I think the medical guys, they know all that. 3, close misconduct. The deputy governor appeared with the appointment of the vacant position of commercial manager of WASCO by attempting to bribe the managing director, Lucy Wachila, the sum of 100,000. This was in the month of May 2023. This act contravened Article 75 of the Constitution. The deputy governor, his engagement, converse and complicity behavior boils down to gross misconduct and the gross abuse of office. 4, crime and national law. Therefore, the deputy governor, His Excellency Dr. Robert Monda, of using his office to source for 800,000, thereby conferring a financial benefit on himself and subsequently sending 100,000 to WASCO managing director so as to influence the award of a contract of employment to a preferred interview. It is in violation of Section 6, Subsection 1A, C, and 2 and 3 of the Bribery Act that provides the person commits the offense of receiving a bribe if the person requests, agrees to receive, or receives a financial or other advantage, intending that the relevant function or activity be performed improperly by that person receiving the bribe, and in anticipation of or as a consequences of a person requesting for or agreeing to receive or accepting financial or other advantage, an activity is performed improperly by that person or another person. Yes, point of order.